the Bondi Block Party, yeah! Kicking off summer on a rockin' way, right? But I gotta slow it down, man. I gotta catch my freaking breath. Can I? I'm too old for this, man. I'm 48 now, you know. That's a great day.
Show y'all.
Man, let's give it up for our bartenders right here, man.